Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying healthy and crafty as well. And in today's video I am going to show you a junk journal that I put together for a partner. I participated in the Wacky Wednesdays junk journal swap hosted by the lovely Ilene Payne. So my partner wanted to have a journal with florals and some Julie Nutten ephemera or stamps. So I put together a tiny junk journal and I'm going to do a flip through of it. So let's switch the camera so you can watch what I put together. Okay, so here I am with the junk journal that I put together. I participated in a junk journal swap hosted by Ilene Payne, and my partner, she like flowery stuff, like Julie Nutten kind of stuff. So here is the junk journal. The cover, I use fabric and some vintage fabric that I have purchased in an Etsy shop probably 2-3 years ago, and I've been holding on it. So also the cover, it's made with a pasta box. I follow a tutorial. I will leave the link of the tutorial in the description box below. It was super helpful on how to do it. And I added some of the, I use this collection, worn wallpaper from Jim Holt's Ideology, and it came with all these ephemera flowery stuff. So I use those across the entire junk journal. So as you can see, these are the ones. Let me come closer so you can see better. And this yo-yo, isn't this cute? I just love it. Kind of like 70s retro style. Then again, I use some of the trims from Hobby Lobby, you know, for the spine, and I added a mini charm kind of tassel. You know, that's not a cup of tea for me, but you know, at least I try, right? And the back, again, stitch fabric with the ephemera from the Tim Holtz collection. Worn wallpaper. Okay, so let's go inside. So I made 3 signatures, and it's super chunky monkey, and I added these kind of a trim, you know, to close. I bought these at Michael's on those like $9.99 trims, so packages. So I love it. Let's go ahead and open this up. I have Julie Nutting's ephemera. And these 2 pieces, I bought it in a kit from My Little Crafty Corner. She has an Instagram website account and also a website. Also, this is from My Little Crafty Corners, and I use that wallpaper. Tim Holtz collection, a card that says reflection. She likes purple, so that's why I incorporate purple here and there, and also pastel colors. More of Julie Nutting's ephemera. This pocket is from Maggie Holmes, and this piece, it's from a bag. Rian Company is a vegan shop here in my neighborhood, and I just love that they have these stamped roses. So, and then when she opens this up, she will come into this flower. Says smile, ephemera, more stitch with tulle, another one. This is another pieces from My Little Crafty Corners kits. I put a doily here. I stain and stencil this page. As you can see, everything is stitched. I love stitching. Tuck pocket, and these clip that I inserted a tassel. More, this is garden party collection from Maggie Holmes, stickies. This is from a page from a magazine, and I'll show you the magazine. Daphne Diaries. They have like beautiful stuff there, and more crepe paper. So this is the end of the first signature. The second signature, more of Julie Nothing's ephemera. This is another sticky from My Little Crafty Corners. The same thing here too. And I put together this tag, stitch it with vintage fabric. Another little embellished paper clip, Crafty Corners, ephemera. I had these Good Times, and I stitch a belly band here. I'm made of vintage fabric. I also incorporated across the entire junk journal these stickers from Dear Lizzie collection. Another tuck's pocket, more stained. This is another vintage kind of like ephemera piece that I put together. And more. And here is a baggie full of taggies. I just love how it came out. Super girly, flowery. I know I'm going that fast, right? More of the garden party ephemera. And here we're gonna start the third signature. Some of vintage ephemera, Julie Nothing's ephemera. I stencil these. I used a stencil from Maggie Holmes. Kind of flowery. More of the stitching. More of that ephemera. I just gave away all that ephemera. I don't have more ephemera anymore, so I just wanted to. I particularly bought this because she likes flowers, so, and it had that like gorgeous ephemera, flowers and wallpaper, you know, pieces and all that. And here is another stitched taggy with vintage fabric and some taggies. And this is a tool that also came on my Little Crafty Corner, the same as the yarn. I just staple here. More. Another sticky from my Little Crafty Corner, Little Crafty Corner stickies. And I decided to put like a, oops, a mumming frame. Okay, I decided to put this bell, this postcard, and I just glue a sticker. This is from Maggie Holmes, and this is a shaker that I received, and what I did was I got lazy, so I covered it up with that wallpaper. And more stickers. And then here's a big one, a big card. She can write, or she can just put, you know, pictures, etc. Living the dream. Oh, I love these one too. It's stitched, and the streams also came from my Little Crafty Corner. Some vintage stuff that I had, and I use even acetate, so it turned out super cute. More. And another tag that I made, stitch, and I distressed it with this ink and put some of the ephemeras there. More cute. Another one. This is another taggy, stitch taggy with a pocket. I love these. This came also in my Little Crafty Corners kit. I mean, she has just gorgeous kits, so you better check her out. I'm gonna leave her information in the description box below. And another embellished mini paper clip. These, and this is the end. And yeah, so this was the junk journal flip through. So as you see, it's super chunky monkey. I love it, and I hope my partner will like it as well. And again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family. And again, thanks for subscribing and watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.